make sure you smash up the like button. This is your daily crypto news and wrap up for the day. Every day at 10 p.m., we come live on our YouTube channel and we share all the day's news and events from the world of cryptocurrencies. So, without further delay, let's jump on straight into the market. So at this point of time, all the market is in red, guys. Okay, as you can see, Bitcoin is trading at around the $46,400 mark. It has taken a dip of about 2.3%. Ethereum is also down by more than 1%. If I have to quickly take a look at the total market cap is coming at about 2.35 trillion dollars, down by more than 1% in the last 24 hours, guys. 2022 has not started well for the crypto market so far. We have to take a quick look on some of the top gainers of the day. The top gainer of the day is Olympus, which has gained about 11%, followed by Osmosis, which has gained about 8%, followed by Synthetics, which has again broken into the top 100 tokens, guys. It is up about 7.6%, and Yearn Finance continues its parabolic rise over the past few weeks that we have seen, and it has risen by more than 3%. Now, if I have to take a quick look on some of the top losers of the day, Monero has lost the most in the top 100 tokens. It has lost more than 8% in the last 24 hours, followed by Cardina, which has lost 7.5%, Celo 6%, Stack 6.4%, and Convex Finance has also lost considerable amount of valuation. If I have to talk very quickly about some of the news that is coming out today, there are quite a few news that I would like to cover today. Bitcoin holdings of public companies surged in 2021. Cointelegraph is telling us about this, and this is not a surprise, guys. This is not a surprise. As we all know, MicroStrategy has been at the forefront of the collecting bitcoins. If we take a quick look on their holding, then MicroStrategy holds about 124,000, actually more than 124,000 Bitcoin. It is the largest public company holding Bitcoin, followed by Tesla, which is also not a surprise. And there are other companies like Square as well who are holding Bitcoin in their balance sheet and portfolio. Guys, I feel that once certain regulations comes into the Indian market as well, certain Indian companies may also hold Bitcoin in their balance sheet, because it may, for loss making firms, especially as startups, if you have a little bit of cash flow, you can actually dilute that into Bitcoin, and it may actually help you become profitable. That is my personal opinion, guys. If I have to very quickly take another look at the news, Square Enix CEO reveals plans for blockchain, metaverse, and NFTs. Now, Square Enix, for guys who do not know, is a Japanese entertainment conglomerate, and they have a offering in the game space as well, and they are listed, actually, guys, they are listed on the Japanese stock exchange as well. So if I have to very quickly talk about them, so they are coming up with their, they have plans of coming up with metaverse and building their own metaverse, NFTs, and blockchain. And here is one thing I would like to point out, guys, right? As was pointed by Jack Dorsey, the founder of Twitter, the metaverse is becoming more and more centralized. We do not want to see such things, but this is a welcome step, because this is one of the first companies which is coming into the, into the metaverse space. Obviously not the first, but one of the first movers. So I appreciate this kind of moves that are coming in. And one of the biggest news that is coming out, guys, today is that Samsung has announced the NFT platform for smart televisions. As you can see, some of the models that will be launched in 2022 will be coming with an integrated NFT platform, guys. This is a very, very big news, and it's a step in the right direction. It's a step towards mainstream adoption of NFTs. I strongly believe that NFTs are here to stay, guys, and NFTs will actually decouple itself or separate itself from the crypto space altogether, and it will see a much wider and much quicker adoption among the general among the general public as well. So Samsung is coming up with its own NFT platform in smart TVs. Don't be surprised if some of the other television platforms like LG and Sony also announces sometime in 2022 that they are also coming into the NFT space. Don't be surprised at all. Now there is one thing. Now I'll move on to the Bitcoin chart, and I am a bit concerned right now, guys. Okay, this is the Bitcoin chart that I am looking at currently, and this is Bitcoin on the 1 day time frame, and things are not looking too great, to be very honest with you guys. This is actually forming a head and shoulders, right? As you can see right here, this is the left shoulder that we have, this is the head that we have, and might be this could be the right shoulder. I'm not too sure whether this is the right shoulder, but this is a bearish indication, guys, right? If we break below this, guys, if we break below this, the price target, I have measured it, the price target comes all the way down at about $22,000. Mind you, this will only hold if we are breaking below. Okay, if we are not breaking below this neckline, we are fine, we are just fine. And I also believe that before 22,000 there are a lot of support, guys. There is a lot of support that we have, primarily in this zone at about the, let me quickly show you. First of all, the major support is at about this, the 30,000 is obviously a great support, and also we have another support coming in at about the $41,000 mark. So I personally feel we can see a pull down back to about $40,000. I told you earlier also, guys, that whenever there is a downfall like this, right, we had a fall right to about about $43,000. Whenever we have these kind of corrections, it is not once that we see this, right? It is actually multiple number of times that we can test these levels and then go up or go north. So currently things are not looking too great, but for me personally, I have shared some of the things that I am buying in this correction. If you have not joined our Telegram channel, I strongly recommend you to do so. So that's pretty much it about the news for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye for now.